What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today we have something super random, but we just bought this Dasai Liberty Walk collab piece. So for some reason I've been seeing a bunch of these ads on Instagram. If you guys don't know what this is, Dasai is a company out of Australia. They sell this small little device that you put in your car. Doesn't do anything for power or cosmetics. Honestly, they call it a little Mochi. So really it's just a small little device that makes cute sounds and little facial expressions. Think of it as a decorative ornament for your JDM car. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to link the Instagram page right here. But let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys what's in here. Honestly, it's just a random thing that I just got. Collaboration with Liberty Walk. So Liberty Walk makes a bunch of white body stuff. They call this the Mochi, and they did have quite a few revisions. That's what it looks like. This is the Liberty Walk Super Silhouette. Dasai is the brand. So let's go and open it up, show you guys what's in here. So just ripped apart the packaging. I ordered this on the Dasai website. Or you can do it from the Instagram page, links you to the website. Small little pamphlet. It says Liberty Walk right here. It's the collaboration piece. And they had quite a few revisions of the Mochi. This one, which you guys will see in a little bit, has the Liberty Walk F40 body kit. Let's see, on the, I guess, it tells you the startup guide. It makes a bunch of little faces, cute emoji faces. Like I said, it's purely a cosmetic fun thing. Comes with the wiring. Comes with some sticky adhesive pads. And then the actual product. Here it is. So yeah, you're really paying for this little thing, the Mochi. It says Liberty Walk. You have the wing, the Ferrari F40 taillights, aggressive diffuser and wing setup, Liberty Walk logo, and then this screen powers up. Underneath you can see pretty much the circuit boards. And I know in the earlier generations these were wired. I believe this is wireless, so you can charge it with a USB-C cable in the back. But yeah, let me try to play around with it, see how I can start it up. Okay, so it is saying from this guide here, I need to lift the helmet up to access, and there's a press on and off button. So I believe, let's see, I'm trying to be careful because I'm not trying to break this. So underneath, I believe, so I know some of my buddies who bought like the earlier revisions. The screen itself, the LED screen, you could keep the original one, but the helmet, think of it like the body kit, you could replace it. So even if you have the earlier gen, you don't have to buy the whole new one. You can just buy the helmet if you like this Liberty Walk look to it. Just by shaking it, it kind of wakes it up. Just makes cute little faces like that. I don't really know how to change the mode. There's a way to kind of mute it as well as cycle through the different modes. USB-C cables back here. It just makes random animations. So it seems like each time it moves, I believe it's kind of like motion detected. And it should make a different face, I think. There's also an option to mute it as well. It just makes random faces like that. You might ask me, what the hell is this thing? Why did I spend money on it? Honestly, I don't know. It's just one of those random little trinkets that I spend money on. I guess you can see the ads got to me. And I wanted to support a fellow automotive small little brand all the way from Australia. So I think I'll probably have it somewhere in the S2000. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. but I don't think I want it in my daily driver, my RCF. S2000 I do drive occasionally. I might hide it right here maybe, or I might place it somewhere else. I want it somewhat hidden, but I can see it. So we'll see where we'll want to place it. All right, so you guys saw pretty much a 1 minute clip of this little Mochi just making random animations. Like I said, you can turn it off. It does run out of battery. I'm not sure how long it'll last on a full charge. My buddy with the earlier revision Mochi said that it probably could last him a good 12 hours. He had it muted. Obviously, mine's a newer edition, so better LEDs. When these first came out, it always had to be wired in. I'm pretty sure in your car there's a way you could, hot wire it. But yeah, think of it as a small little driving companion. Doesn't add any horsepower. It's just purely for fun. Alright, so they do provide these Velcro pads. So you can stick one underneath and then the other one in your car. So if you have to charge it, you can just remove it. So I have one side of the Velcro on. Right now I can mount the other side so I can just see where I want to place it on my car and then go ahead and stick it on. What do you guys think? Should I have it right here? So here's a closer look at the pamphlet. It shows the different faces that it makes. And with this being the Liberty Walk edition, it does have some limited edition Liberty Walk animations. Should be pretty cool. And if you do want to turn it on and off, as well as to pretty much put it to sleep mode or mute it, you do have to remove the helmet first before you can get access to the buttons on the side. So many animations. What's pretty cool is right here it also tells you that you can move it around, and apparently there's a, I guess as the car is driving, it's somehow able to detect. I thought that was pretty cool. And then like in 1 minute, if there's no motion, it pretty much goes to sleep mode. So yeah, pretty cool. This is the Euro guide that I was talking about. So apparently there's a new Euroscope that detects movement when you turn left, turn right, or under acceleration and braking. And it pretty much, I guess, cycles through the mode. So I thought that was pretty cool. There's like a motion detection system in it as well. Alright, so to remove the helmet, so it's pretty chunky. What I did was I pretty much use my finger where the USB-C charging port is, try to yank it out gently, just the base, and you can slowly pry it out. Alright, so finally have it out like that. You guys can see helmet is off. Like I said, if you guys want to buy the Liberty Walk helmet or a different style of helmet, you can buy it separately from the Dasai store. So pretty much this is how it looks like. Right, little screen, USB-C charging port in the back, and your little buttons is actually right here on the side. You can see little buttons on the side. So you can press it on the side to pretty much switch it on and off, or if you want to mute it, just press it 4 times and it should mute it. So now it's muted. It tells me it's muted. So yeah. Alright, so now that you guys have saw how to remove the helmet, like I see the buttons right here on this side, So facing you is actually on the right side. And to put it back, you're just gonna fit it in like that slowly. USB-C is on the back. Nice little clip. This is the rear end. I just think this is so cool. And we're gonna throw it on the S2000. I'm gonna have it like here, just facing me, right smack in the middle. So I already have the other end of the Velcro attached. Right now, just gonna attach the other end, the base, and just have it right here. All right, now I do have a quick release steering wheel, so I removed it, make my life a little easier. Just measure it right in the middle, and just like that, Dasai is on, my little Mochi. Put my steering wheel back on, right in the middle. So yeah, pretty much just like that, it cycles through the modes. Again, if you guys are wondering, this is the Dasai Mochi Liberty Walk Edition. My buddy said he has it as his driving companion when he drives his cars. It's pretty cool at first. Off the wall, it makes all the sounds. So if you don't like the sounds, you can definitely mute it by just pressing the side 4 times. So this is the view of my Dasai Mochi. Little driving companion. Hope you guys like this simple video. This is by no means a modification to the car. Just a fun little trinket that I was able to add on to my S2000. If you guys like it, leave a thumbs up, subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next video.